Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from TikTok and redeem your TikTok rewards. First, open TikTok and make sure you're logged into the right account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the 3-bar menu at the top right. Next, select balance. You'll see your estimated balance, live rewards, and transactions. Tap view to check your current earnings. Now, go to live rewards. If you've earned from TikTok Live or Creator Rewards, your total balance will show here. Tap withdraw to redeem it. Choose your preferred payout method, PayPal or Payoneer, and enter your withdrawal amount. TikTok might ask for verification with a one-time code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. You can track it in the transaction history under balance. TikTok usually sends the money within a few business days. Just make sure your payment method is verified and your balance meets the minimum payout limit. And that's it. You now know how to withdraw money and redeem TikTok rewards. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial on linking Payoneer to TikTok for withdrawals.